member ko ng kaya to give prayer.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. And then the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come today asking for your guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin to open our hearts. Help us to engage in meaningful discussion. Allow us to work ourselves at with and nurture the rest of the community. We also praise, Lord God, as many decisions that make up the leaders, observers, documenters of this district, and continue to remind us of all that we do today. All that we accomplish is for the pursuit of truth, for the greater glory of you, and for the service of humanity. We ask those things in your name, amen. And in heaven's name, Spirit, amen.
Kung po si Preventive Interest, may request dahil bago si Tarat at si Tatin lang sa Preventive. Morning. For and for there will be hard money and hard for our back members or five members even for the record, Borongan proceed to the credit temporary. Nakikita kami po sa namin special Samar District Engineering Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan-Guiuan, Samar is now holding the private conference of the following projects at the office of the conference hall. The private conference, which is open to all interested bidders and conducted in order to discuss and clarify matters pertaining to the procurement of these projects. Discussion of following contract data for its project for infra project 25 IBs 0018 preventive maintenance, secondary road, Johnson Buenavista-Lawaan-Marabut, kilometer 986 plus 1047 to kilometer 991 plus 421. For contract item number 25 IB 0019, construction completion of the Theaters building is in Samar DEO, DPWH, ESDEO, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan City, Samar. Contract ID number 25 ID 0020 for Widening Secondary Road, Borongan-Guiuan Road, kilometer 1,000 plus 285 to kilometer 1,001 plus 962 to kilometer 1,001 plus 990 to kilometer 1,002 plus 800, kilometer 1,003 plus 280 to kilometer 1,003 plus 640. Contract ID number 0021, construction of from National Highway, Barangay Busay-Barangay, Barangay, Sung-an-Barangay, Cambante, Services, Samar. 25, contract ID number 25B0022, construction of multi-purpose building, Taboc Elemental School, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. For goods and services, 24 GIB 0049, purchase delivery of spare parts for use of various DPWH service, vehicles and generator. 24 GIB 0050, purchase delivery of construction materials for use in improvement of Taboc structural perimeter fence, Barangay City and the improvement of equipment management division area, equipment section gate and perimeter fence, Barangay Bato, Borongan City. For 24 GCB 0051, purchase delivery of surveying instrument for use in the planning and design and construction section. For improper deep reserve for the 25 ID 0018, program is discuss the contract data of Brgy. It will be preventive now.
Contract ID number 25IB 0018, Preventive Maintenance, Secondary Roads, Junction Buenavista-Lawaan-Marabut Road, K0986 plus 1,047 to kilometer 991 plus 22. Appropriation 42,137,000. Scope of work, concrete reblocking 1.875 length kilometer, thickness 280 millimeters. Asphalt overlay 1.512 length kilometer, including shoulder area 1,590 square meter, thickness 50 NO. Project duration 203 calendar days. Minimum equipment requirement: 1 loaded trailer, 1 cargo service truck, 1 transit mixer, 1 payloader, 1 dump truck, 1 motorized road grader, 1 private roller, 1 backhoe with breaker, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 mechanical joint sealer, 1 mill machine, 1 asphalt paver, 1 mnemonic tire roller, 1 tandem stand roller, 1 asphalt distributor, 1 power broom, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine. Detailed breakdown of component. Other general requirements: project billboard, signboard, 2 each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Earthworks, removal of actual structures, construction, 0.23 meter deep, PCCP unreinforced, 5,718.75 square meter. Surplus common excavation, 1,178.53 cubic meter. Subgrade preparation common material, 5,718.75 square meter. Sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course, 1,143.75 cubic meter. Surface courses, emulsified asphalt, 6,879.60 square meter. Bituminous concrete surface wearing course, B&B, 50 mm thick, 6,879.60 square meter. Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced, 0.28 meter thick, 5,718.75 square meter. Miscellaneous structures, refractorized thermoplastic pavement markings wide 1,046.89 square meter. That's also.
Any clarification from the Batangan? Correction. None. Proceed to the second project, 25 IB 0019. Construction completion of the DPWH building, Samar DEO, DPWH Samar ESDEO, Barangay Alang-Alang.
Good morning, everyone. It's got the project construction completion of DPWH building located at DPWH ESDEO, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan-Guiuan, Samar. Project description is creation of DPWH buildings, printing works, electric elevator, waterproofing, aluminum cladding, tile works, air conditioning, water pumping system, site development, and other scope of works included therein. Project of operation is 20 million annually, and source of fund is GAA 2025. Total project duration for the project is 197 calendar days. And for the scope of works, we have 3.51 project billboard or signboard, 1 each. 3.71 occupational safety and health program, 1 each. 2.91 mobilization or demobilization, 1 each. For party earthworks, 801 removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. 8071 site development, 1 lump sum. For part B, 300 first complete work, 932 formworks and false works, 447.25 square meter. And for part C, finishing and other civil works, fabricated materials, 1,00317, carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum, 1,042, finishing hardware, 1 square meter, 1,071B, aluminum frame glass door swing types, 8.85 square meter, 1,081D, aluminum glass window fixed type, 20.67 square meter, 10391, aluminum cladding, 320.10 square meter. And for finishing works, we have 10161A, waterproofing cement base, 367.68 square meter. 10161B, waterproofing liquid base, 489.24 square meter. 1018 and base tiles, 303.8 square meter. 1021 floor topping frame, 303.8 square meter. 10184 synthetic granite tiles, 104.59 square meter. Painting works for 103218, painting works on masonry and concrete, 104.59 square meter. For printing works, we have 5,500.54 square meter. For part F, Buenavista-Lawaan-Marabut, 120013C, air conditioning, centralized air conditioning ducting, 1 lump sum. 12011, water pumping system, 1 lump sum. And last is 120318, electric elevator up to 500 kilogram, 1 lump sum. That's all for 25 IB 0019.
Ito naman tayo sa midborn, public.
Upo din sir, ayun nga ako yan nga, kasi na sir, komportable na siguro sir. Tapos may motor copy nga, liquid base.
Okay, any clarification? Kasi contact area number 25 IB 0020.
Mga 25 IP 0020 from Widening Secondary Roads, Borongan-Guiuan Road, kilometer 1000 plus 285 to kilometer 1001 plus 962, kilometer 1001 plus 990 to kilometer 1002 plus 800, kilometer 1003 plus 280 to kilometer 1003 plus 640. Nation 130 million. Scope of work, road widening 5.72 lane kilometer, thickness 0.28 meters, width 3.35 meters. Minimum equipment requirement, 1 low-bed trailer, 1 cargo service truck, 1 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 truck pump, 1 transit mixer, 1 backhoe, 1 vibrator roller, 1 motorized road grader, 1 concrete spreader, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 mechanized joint sealer equipment machine, 1 bagger mixer, 1 plate compactor, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine. Written down component. General requirements, magic billboard, signboard for each. Occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Traffic management, 1 lump sum. Mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. Earthworks, clearing and grabbing, 1.92. Individual removal of trees, 150 to 300 mm diameter, small, 100 each. Removal of structures and obstruction, 1 lump sum. Removal of actual structures, obstruction, 0.20 meter thick PCCP under force, 1,353.20 square meter. Removal of structure and obstruction, concrete, 307.32 cubic meter. Surplus common excavation, 10,486.63 cubic meter. 5 culverts and drain excavation, common soil, 420 cubic meter. Embankment from roadway, structural excavation, common soil, 4,380.80 cubic meter. Subgrade preparation, common material, 28,561.20 square meter. Subbase and base course. Aggregate subbase course, 5,712.24 cubic meter. For base courses, Portland cement concrete pavement under force, 0.20 meter thick, 9,399.20 square meter. Portland cement concrete pavement under force, 0.28 meter thick, 19,162 square meter. Reinforcing steel, grade 40, 680.24 kilogram, concrete, class A, 36.36 cubic meter. Drainage and slope protection structures, 5 culverts, 910 mm diameter, class 2 RCPC, 140 meters. Line canal, rectangular, concrete, 788 meters. Concrete slope protection, 887.55 cubic meter. Miscellaneous structures, seedlings, saplings for other programs initiative, 10,000 each. Refractorized thermoplastic pavement, markings white, 1,215.15 square meter. Reflectorized pigment markings yellow, 178.50 square meter. Single roller safety barrier system, 173 meters. That's all.
Technical reason from the Bacolod. Now, proceed to contract LG number 25 IBSO 021.
Next project is construction of road from National Highway, Barangay Busay to Barangay San Jose to Barangay Sung-an to Barangay Cambante, Mercedes, Eastern Samar, with contract ID number of 25 IB 0021. Appropriation is 64 million pesos. Source of fund is GA 2025. Net length is 5.668 lane kilometer with width of 6.1. Thickness is 0.23 meter. Shouldering is equal to 1.5 meters left side with RTPC. Total project duration is 259 calendar days. Target start date is upon approval. Itemized breakdown for other general requirements. Item number B.5, project billboard, signboard, 2H. B.7 to professional safety and health program, 1 lump sum. B.8 to traffic management, 1 lump sum. B.9, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. For earthworks, item number 1001, clearing and grabbing, 3.4 hectare. 1016, removal of structures and obstruction concrete, 453.6 cubic meter. 1021, unsuitable excavation, 1,716.52 cubic meter. 1036A, 5 culverts and drain excavation, common soil, 108 cubic meter. 1042A, embankment from Bao, common soil, 4,459.47 cubic meter. 1051A, subgrade filtration, common material, 25,789.4 square meter. For sublease and discourse, item 2001, aggregate subdiscourse, 6,858.28 cubic meter. For surface courses, item 311, 1C1, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.25 meter thick, 14 days, 17,287.4 square meter. For drainage and slope protection structures, item 5001B, 5 culverts plus 2 RCPC, 60 meter. 506, stone masonry, 87.94 cubic meter. For minimum equipment requirement, 1 cargo service truck, 1 backhoe with breaker, 2 payloader, 2 dump truck, 1 bulldozer, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 1 water truck pump, 4 transit mixer, 1 concrete spreader, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, and 1 mechanized joint sealer equipment machine. That's all. Okay, moving. Ano yung kuha ng equipment? Taboc. So, this truck. Oh, moving. Moving trailer. Ay, parang ito sila. Napunta mo yung clarification. May sa, ang ilang video. Okay.
Okay, Pro 20, Pagkakailan na 25 LB 0020.
For 25 IB 0022, construction of multi-purpose building, located at Taboc Elementary School, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. Project description is construction of multi-purpose building, 15 meters by 30 meters, covered court, and other scope of work indicated during as Preventive. Appropriation for the project is 5 million pesos only, and total project duration of 152 calendar days. And for the minimum equipment requirement are one heat compactor, one barber mixer, one bar binder, one bar cutter, one welding machine. For the scope of work, 3.31 permits and clearances, one lump sum. 3.51 project billboard or signboard, one each. 3.71 occupational safety and health program, one lump sum. 3.91 mobilization or demobilization, one lump sum. Part A earthworks, 80318, structural excavation common soil, 99.32 cubic meter. 8041A, embankment from structural excavation, 67.69 cubic meter. 8047, travel field, 4.81 cubic meter. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete work, 901 structural concrete, class A, 28 days, 64.49 cubic meter. 9021 A1, reinforced steel, 340, 2050.4 kilograms. 9021 A2, reinforced steel, reform, grade 60, 8,313.92 kilograms. 9032, formworks and forest works, 359.39 square meter. For finishing and other civil works or finishing works, 1021, 3A, flooring, floor topping, paint, 67.5 square meter. For roof framing and roofing works, we have 100311, A1, fascia board, 9 mm thick, fiber cement board, 100 meters. 10132A, fabricated metal roofing accessory, wedge, gauge 26, 33 meters. 10132B, fabricated metal roofing accessory, cutting, gauge 26, 40 meters. 10141E2, pre-painted metal sheets long span, corrugated type above 0.427 mm thick, 627 square meter. 10478A, structural steel bracket, 8,237.46 kilograms. 10478B, structural steel, 4 lanes, 4,631.5 kilogram. 10474B, metal structure accessories, torn barrel, 24 inch. 10475C, metal structure accessories, rose bracing, 359.38 kilograms. And 10475B, metal structure accessories, steel plates, 1,168.31 kilograms. 10475B, metal structure accessories, bolt and rods, 72.47 kilograms. 10475B, metal structure accessories, sagrad, 359.75 kilograms. For electrical works, 11009, fittings and accessories, one lump sum. 110133, wires and wiring devices, one lump sum. 11021, panel board with main and branch breakers, one lump sum. 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, one lump sum. It's all for 25 IB.
Any contribution? None. We will proceed for goods and services. For contract ID number 24 VIB 0049.
The Department of Public Works and Highways, Eastern Samar District and Development Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan City, Eastern Samar, through its bids and awards commission, invites suppliers to submit bids for the following contract. Contract number 24 GIV 0049. Contract name for chief delivery of spare parts for linguistic parts, DPWH service vehicle and generator. Contract location, Eastern Samar District Engineering Outlet. Brief description of goods secured per part. Approved budget for the contract, 619,599. Source of fund, EL. Delivery date of goods, contract duration of service, 5 calendar days.
Next, contract ID number 24 VIB 0049.
Contract number 24 IV 00. Contract name, purchase delivery of construction materials for the use of in the improvement of Cabong Stockyard, perimeter fence, Barangay Cabong, Borongan City, and in the improvement of equipment management vision area, equipment section, gate and perimeter fence, Barangay Cabong, Borongan City. Contract location, Eastern Samar District Engineering Office. Brief description of goods to be procured, construction material. Approved for the contract of 1,248,340.4. Sort of plan, delivery date of goods, contract duration of service, 15 calendar days. With Prohak Kapong, Bato, Mahin, Bato ko ng Mahin, Kapabong, Stockyard, Ben, tapos, sila, Bato. Ito na mga phone, program of different and number,
VIB 0042.
contract number 24 GIB 00. Contract name, purchase delivery of surveying instruments for the use of the planning, design, and construction section. Contract location, Eastern Samar District Engineering. Brief description of goods to be procured, surveying instrument. Approved budget for the contract, 7,400,000. Source of fund, EL. Delivery date of goods, contract duration of service, 60 calendar days.
Ating pagkakatay na salat ang certification ng Bapaguhan. Ang panalitan na survey instrument.
And certification.
So, ang nagpubuhatan nito na po ang kansilaan ay ang procurement activity. Kinahanglan ba rin po?
Sabi nga po, ang check na yun nga. Kuwan, nga, perimeter fence.
Mga parameter.
So, kung itatlo ka ba pila pagkuhan ka, diskahan, ang gitna ka, ano yun? Ang perimeter fence, kapong din nga, kuwan, yung mga,
Ngayon,
Oo. Ikaw na, bato, quality trail, give
Di tidak di ano ba? Di ang dapat.
commitment among pagkakit.
Yan, nakadutang dito ang model. So, ano ito? Paano ito ng model? Ay, isang katanggalan ng model. Isang katanggalan ng model. At saka lahat. Ay, ito ka na katanggalan ng model. Oo, and sila din. Ano rin, for the probably for what it takes, so we have to do it a lot with others. And we want to like I think I want to do the job. That makes sure
Strictly leaders should be registered with anticipated by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, be completion of a single largest completed contract, and similar to the contract to be bid costing at least 80% of the EBC, and seeing financial contracting capacity at least equal to the EBC. Contractors or applicant who wish to participate in the bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH civil works applications at the DPWH procurement services. If for area DPWH building in Pasay-Barangay for area Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on a project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process, and subject to further post-qualification information on registration can be obtained from the procurement service during working days from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the Constitution device implementing rules and regulation of the Republic Act RA 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. The contractor shall awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder who was determined as such during post-qualification. Bidding for the above infra projects is through early procurement activities and will be short of award pending availability of seat of FY 2025 GAA funds. Interested bidders may claim further information from DPWH Eastern Samar District Engineering Office from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. and inspect the bidding document. A complete sheet of bidding document may be acquired by interested bidders from DPWH ESDEO, and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents, bidders can make payments for the purchase of the bidding document at any DPWH field offices. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System and the website of the procuring entity, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of the bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the bid data sheet. Bid must be duly received by the back secretariat at DPWH ESDEO. Deadline for the manual submission for goods and services shall be on or before November 19, 2024 at 8:59 a.m. for ID numbers 24 GIB 0049, 24 GIB 0050, and 24 GIB 0051. For infrastructure project, manual submission or electronic submission of electronic bids and manual submission of electronic submission at electronic bids underscore Eastern Samar at DPWH.gov.ph as on or before November 19, 2024 at 1:10 p.m. Infrastructure numbers 25 GIB 0018, 25 IB 0019, 25 IB 0020, 25 IB 0021, and 25 IB 0022. All bids must be accompanied by the bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in the ITV clause 18. Bid pinning of goods and services shall be on November 19, 2024. Immediately after the deadline for the submission for the sale of bids and for infrastructure shall be on November 19, 2024. Also right after the deadline for the submission of the sale of bids. At the conference hall, the Department of Public Works and Highways, Eastern Samar District Engineering Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan-Guiuan, Eastern Samar. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders representatives who choose to attend. Article 2, Section 27 of 2016 revised IRR of RE 9184 states that all bids shall be accompanied by the bid security, which shall serve as guarantee that after receipt of notice of award, the winning bidder shall enter into contract with the procuring entity in the stipulated time and furnish the required performance security. The specific amount allowable forms of bid securities prescribed in the IRR. That the validity period of the bid security is 120 calendar days from the opening of bid. The contractor must submit a net financial contracting capacity at least equal to the ABC prior to the submission of bids. The eligibility requirement is stated under Section 23.1 of the IRR. And the bidding shall be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using the non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the implementing rules and regulations of RA 9184. That the bidders shall submit the bids to their duly authorized liaison officer who are specified in the contractor's information. And purchasing bidding documents and submission and drafting of bids. Contractors, representatives that register in the contractor CRC shall submit a duly authorized special power of attorney stating within the specific projects to be bid and valid ID memorandum of usage under the Lisa R. Widening for support and services dated December 27, 2021. The bidders will submit one original, one copy of the first technical and second financial component of its bid. The unsealed or unmarked envelope will be rejected, and properly sealed and marked envelope will be accepted, provided that bidder or his duly authorized representatives shall acknowledge such condition of the bid as submitted. The three-strike policy will also be implemented. For infra project should be accredited by the DPWH based on DO number 148 series of 2024. Encourage also our prospective bidders to conduct their site inspection in order that whatever problems encountered will be resolved prior to the bidding. Prospective bidders are encouraged to read and prepare the bid dataset while preparing their bidding documents because this contains important information and requirements for the bidding document. Prospective bidders are encouraged to follow the guidelines in the preparation of bidding documents for goods and infrastructure projects and the submission of the required documents and required forms to be included in the procurement of goods, infrastructure projects, and consulting services as per GPPB Resolution 16-2020. Please be reminded that late bids will not be accepted. The DPWH Eastern Samar District Engineering Office, Barangay Alang-Alang, Borongan City, Eastern Samar, reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with Section 41 of RA 9184 and its IRR without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. Any issues or concern? And remember, the pre-bid meeting is adjourned. Good morning.